Hi, I'm Liz Stoneking, the owner of All in Vinyl Boutique, and I was asked to share one of my COVID memories with everyone. For me, my favorite memory so far, I guess, or really the biggest accomplishment I've done during the COVID is our Macomb Strong shirts. I am a t-shirt designer and graphic designer, so I wanted to do something to give back to our community, and the only way I know how to do it is through designing a t-shirt. So what we did is we made all these shirts. We did some pre-orders for them, and there were $15 and $5 every shirt went to Genesis Garden, which is a great organization in our community, which is helping feed all the families in our county. We raised $525 for Genesis Garden through Macomb Strong shirts. I was asked to kind of just give a little light on what's going on right now with COVID and how it's affecting our small business personally. So if you haven't been to our store yet, we have 20 small businesses within our store. So it's not only affecting my income, but also my small business owners' incomes that are in here. So with COVID, we are a non-essential business. So we are currently moving everything online to allinvinylshop.com. We are doing now, starting May 1st, we're able to do curbside pickup. And then otherwise, in the meantime, we are doing porch deliveries. As a small business owner, we're kind of all fighting to do what we can right now to stay afloat. But Macomb has been very supportive, especially with the fundraiser I did. And just recently with me building a website, I've noticed a great response. So it's been tough, but we can all stick in there and we can all make it.